So now we're moving on to the continuous shells. It's just a little more interesting than the plain shells that we just did. So I'm going to use the same piping bag filled with the same buttercream. I'm just going to show how it is gone. So you can just see it starts from there and then it's just gone all the way up there. Like maybe you can imagine an olden days telephone and the wire of it. That's how this whole thing is. So I'm just going to go and then do one. Obviously the angle here, it shows 90 degrees. So holding it like this would also be quite easier. In this case, you want to see what you're doing, and if this gets difficult, maybe you could just use 45. Let me just do a 90. So start from here and then just squeeze, go all the way like a shell. Just imagine on olden days telephone wire. As you're going, you just need to move your hand to the right, giving exact amount of pressure. Now, you just need to have the frosting come down because it's not enough. One whole row of the continuous shells. Now you just follow the same thing, just go over like a spiral is the right word. Doing spirals of the same piping using the star, then you do one row, get it approved, and then I'm going to stop with one row because that is, you could just maybe watch it over again. When you send me one row and if that is perfect and it's been approved, then you will be doing 3 rows of the continuous shells and then send that again for approval, and then this particular lesson gets approved for you, and after which you will move on to the next lesson now. But I will catch you in the next piping practice.